Alright, so I just tried out this new AI tool from Luma Labs called Modify Video, and honestly, it kinda blew my mind. I know people say that a lot when they find something new, but hear me out. This tool literally lets you transform an entire video just by typing in a sentence. No reshoots, no green screen, no masking frame by frame. Just a short clip and a prompt. That's it. And I'm gonna walk you through how it works and what you should know before trying it yourself. By the way, this video is made using my AI clone without me ever needing to record it. If you want to create your own videos like this, check out this video where I explain how you can create your own AI clone. And of course, I'll have all the tools linked down below in the description. So here's what you're working with. You upload a video, has to be under 10 seconds for now, and then you describe what you want it to look like. It could be something like, make this look like a medieval throne room, or turn this into an anime style cafe at sunset. Whatever you imagine, the AI does its best to match it. But what makes it feel more powerful is you can also upload a style reference image. If you've got a specific vibe or visual aesthetic in mind, that helps guide the AI in the right direction. Plus, there's an option to use the first frame of your video as a style anchor, which is really useful if you want consistency throughout the clip. The interface is pretty straightforward. Upload your video, type your prompt, optionally drop in a style reference, and choose one of the 3 transformation strength levels. You've got Adhere, which makes light adjustments like lighting or texture changes. Then there's Flex, kind of a middle ground, keeps the original feel but with a clear twist. And finally, Reimagine, which goes all in, like fully transforming your video into something totally different. Once you're set, hit modify and let the AI do its thing. It's not instant, but it's quick. Usually takes a minute or 2 depending on the complexity. Now when you get your result back, it's kinda crazy. The AI maintains all the motion from your original footage, your expressions, movement, even lip sync if there's dialogue, but wraps it in this completely reimagined scene. Lighting changes, backgrounds morph, sometimes your outfit or even small props change based on the prompt. It's not just a filter, it's reconstructing the scene to match the new style. That part genuinely impressed me. But this is important, this is not a perfect alternative to reshooting. Let me say that again. This doesn't replace a proper reshoot or the kind of control you get with manual compositing. Not yet, anyway. If you need pixel perfect accuracy, or if you're working on something very specific like film level VFX, this isn't going to cut it. But what it does offer is accessibility and speed. It makes complex transformations possible without technical know-how. It helps you get a concept across fast or mock up something visual in minutes. For a solo creator or even small teams, that's a huge deal. Like, think about it. You shoot once, and suddenly you've got 5 different outputs for different platforms. You could take one video and turn it into a cyberpunk version for Instagram, a clean minimal version for LinkedIn, a fantasy style one for YouTube, same footage, different storytelling layers, all with just prompts and a few clicks. Now, couple things to keep in mind if you want the best results. Try to shoot with a steady camera. Shaky footage tends to confuse the AI. Keep your background simple. Busy backgrounds don't always translate well. And when in doubt, use that first frame option and upload a style image. Those 2 things can really improve consistency and control. Also, your prompts matter. Be specific but not too overloaded. Instead of saying make this epic and cinematic, try something like sunset lit rooftop with glowing neon signs. That'll usually get you better results. I've had a few glitchy outputs here and there, nothing major, just some distortion or weird transitions when the movement was too fast. But overall, for what it's doing, it's seriously impressive. The fact that we can even type a sentence and have a video change like this, that's a huge leap forward. So yeah, Modify Video isn't going to replace full-on editing workflows just yet, but it's definitely a step toward that future. And for creators who want to move fast, iterate ideas, or just experiment with different looks, it's absolutely worth trying out. You can get really creative without needing a huge production setup, and that's a big win for indie creators, freelancers, and anyone building content solo. If you end up playing with it, let me know what prompts or reference styles you try out. I'm honestly curious to see how far people push it. If you found this helpful or just want to see more breakdowns like this, you already know. Drop a like, comment below, and subscribe for more AI and tech stuffs.